Hi, Marty Norton here. I'm at my new listing in Standish, Maine. It's at 21 Gardenside Drive. This is part of the Gardenside Estates. This is also an over 55 community. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, well-managed association. So let's go and check out the inside. Hi, we're inside now. Right over here, I want to show you the flex room. It can be used as an office, it can be used as a guest bedroom, or just a sitting area, sitting and reading. Notice the luxury vinyl on the floors, and that is throughout the entire condo. We're in the living room now. We have a Mitsubishi heat pump. We have radiant heat pump. We have an eating kitchen, granite countertops with a very high-end backsplash, dishwasher, microwave stove, and plenty of room, Whirlpool refrigerator. Over here, you have a stackable washer dryer, again, Whirlpool, and that stays with the condo. In here, you have a nice bathroom, tub, shower with a single vanity. And also we have a nice spacious master bedroom, double closets here. The condo is just over 3 years old, so you still have the newness and freshness. Next, we're going to go out and check out the garage. Single car garage. This cabinet stays with the property. We have a very small closet here. In here to the right is the radon mitigation system. And to the left is the furnace. Electric panel over here. 100 amp service. These cabinets stay with the condo. And next we're going to check out, oh, before we go further, I wanted to make sure you knew that this was an upgraded access to the attic. And it's graded for 340 pounds. All right, so let's check out the backyard. Before we go to the backyard, I want to show you the clubhouse. Let's go. Wide open space, birthday parties, events, weddings, fantastic spot. Luxury vinyl floors, tile over here. Come on down here, you've got a ladies' room, another bathroom here, kitchen, fully appliance kitchen. Meets all your needs, especially if you're having a party. And down here, oh, they have board meetings here too. And then again, you have a little exercise room, storage area. So let's go to the backyard. Okay, we're in the back Trex decking here, and there's a little pavers all the way to the garage. That's your heat pump unit. Septic tank back there, private backyard, very quiet here, evenings and during the day. So anyway, this is going to hit the market this week. The price is $289,900, and if you are working with a broker, please give them a call and have them set up a showing. And if you're not working with a broker, call me, Marty Norton, 207-408-6861. I want to thank you very much, and have a great day.